Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to be drawing the Great Seal of the United States, basically consisting of an eagle that's holding an olive branch, some arrows, and a flag in its beak. Anyway, so always you could start by drawing something like this with a pencil first before going ahead with a pen. In this case, I did go ahead with a pen right off the bat. But keep in mind that this normally is a symmetric symbol, and here I'm not trying to make it exactly like the original. This is a 3/4 view. There's a lot of leeway to be different, draw things a little bit different. So anyway, I'm using a couple different pens here, extra fine point Sharpie for the main thick lines, and I'm like right here I'm using a Micron pen for the finer lines, and I'm going to use that also for details later on. So just take your time here. I'm also going to switch over to pencil just to give it some shading. I will also add some shading, of course, with my pen, as I mentioned. Now with the wings, I kind of ad-lib this. I'm not so sure that I did it the way I really wanted to. As you can see, the eagle's left wing has the outer feathers separated, whereas the ones on the right side are together. So I think I just kind of forgot how I did the first wing, and then I kind of ad-libbed it there, but regardless. And then here I wasn't really sure exactly how to render the wing, but you'll see later that I'll add some more detail just to make it a little bit more uniform. So the first lines are often not exactly how I want it, so I'll go over it again, and even if it makes the line a little bit thicker. But then afterwards I'll go ahead and try to keep it fairly uniform throughout the drawing. Whenever you have writing as part of your drawing, sometimes it's very useful to write it out first in pencil just to make sure that you make the letters fit in the space that you're writing those in. As I mentioned before, I am going over some previous lines here, some just to make it a little bit thicker, make it a little bit more bold, such as the outline of the shield here. And you can see I'm adding some shading with the pen, but here I'm now onto the pencil. And I'm just adding the pencil just to give it a little bit more character, give it a little bit more interest. And for the most part, these are just simple midtones, maybe a little bit of shading. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. Of course, you could go any number of ways, including just leaving it black and white, or actually putting in some color. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if so, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day. Bye.